In front of me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I'll show you how to reset camera. So to begin, you want to open up your camera app, and from here tap on the gear icon for settings. And then scroll to the side till you have the last option, which is reset defaults. Tap on it, it will give you a message. All settings will be reset to defaults, so just tap on confirm. And camera app is required location. This is just a message that you get when you first time launch the app. So that's because we have reset it, but that's basically all it takes. So now the settings have been reset and you get all these kind of messages that you normally get when you first time get the phone and you first launch the app. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.